Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay Lee. No, I've been going for a while, like 5-6 months, whatever. But I'm back to y'all just to let y'all know where I've been, what I've been up to, all kinds of stuff. Excuse my voice. It's a little sucky. It is the end of the day here. And yeah, my first video is gonna be a little laid back. I want to show you guys some stuff. Like, I've been shopping and shopping, and I got like a whole box of stuff down here. So I want to show y'all what I got. Some new products and just some skincare, palettes, foundations, all kinds of goodies. So if y'all ready to see what I've been buying, stay tuned. Okay, let's chip away. Okay, so I guess y'all still watching, so y'all never like me. So, Ulta has been like my best friend between shopping here online and stuff like that over the last couple of months. I did move, so I moved from Pennsylvania to Virginia, back to where I'm from. So that's why part of the reason I stopped recording was because I was in the process of moving, trying to do stuff for my kids with school and stuff. So that's why we was going. So, two things that I did buy from were the, let me flip it around, were the Tarte Pro Remix palette and the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I haven't opened either one or used either one, but I did buy them, and y'all know I love a sale, so I bought them while they was on sale. Excuse the little, I don't know what I ate, but it's on my shirt. This one, I really like, y'all. Excuse me. And it smells good, y'all. It smells like vanilla. Y'all, this palette smell like, it has some vanilla smelling eyelids, y'all. Yes. But I like it, and I love the fact it got a big mirror, y'all. And I like that it has like, it has a lot of shimmers in there and a few mattes. But I really like that black. And I am going to be using this pretty soon. Just to swatch it for y'all and stuff like that. Now, I haven't opened up the Urban Decay palette at all. Like, at all, to see what's in there. What it look like. Because y'all look, it still got the tape on there on both sides. So, we're going to see this one together. And y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you have any of these items that I have already purchased. If you like them. Ooh, I like it. Now, I like this one because it is matte friendly. I love the purples. This rust color right here is going to be my best friend, y'all. I promise you, that is going to be my best friend. It's going to be my best friend. And so is Punk. I'm going to use Jet a lot. Wonderlust, look like it's gonna be really pretty on my lid too. And it also has a big dang on mirror. So I'm pleased with those two purchases so far. Let's see what else I get in here. Oh, so I wanted to try some new stuff that I ain't never tried before. So I purchased, let me see, because I've been using some of the other stuff. I use some of the other stuff, but the Laura Geller New York Filter First Luminous Foundation. They was not looking out for you girls. So I got the two darkest shades that they did have. They was on sale, so I just bought it because I was like, you know what? I'm going to try something. So I'm going to show y'all and pump these out to show y'all how dark they are not. Okay, so this is mahogany, y'all. Like, why is that your darkest shade? I don't know. And then this one is chestnut. You shake it up just a little bit. Ooh, chestnut don't want to come out for you, girl. Okay, there we go. And here is chestnut. See, I think I'm gonna have to mix them to actually get my shade. This one is probably closer to it than this one. But yeah, I got the darkest two that they had, and that was it. But yeah, they was on sale at Ulta, and I got, what else did I get from her? I got the concealer as well, so we're gonna just try it all out, just because. So yeah, I got the concealer. I think I got it in deep. I think that's the color it was. Yeah, deep. So we're gonna try to highlight with that, because deep was like the darkest one, but it would be a highlight shade for me, not a contour shade at all, people. So let me put these first. But yes, I'm gonna do a video on those. We're gonna really swatch them on my face, see what they look like, and I'm gonna wear it to see a wear test, just to see it might be worth it. But I know I'm not the darkest one out there, so it would be real difficult for anybody darker than me. Also, I wanted to try Bare Minerals. I got deep, Neutral Deep 29. I got the Bare Minerals matte foundation. Somebody said it's pretty decent, so I got it. It was on sale, $19. So I got two just in case I liked it. What else did I get? I got the Tarte foundation too, y'all. Y'all, I was foundation man up. I got the Tarte Clay Stick foundation, and I got this one in Deep Honey. I got that one. Now, I think this is the prettiest freaking little container ever, y'all. Look at this. That is so freaking cute. I got it too just because it was cute. I got that one. Also, what else did I get? I think I put that one up. Hold on. Oh. Also, I got the Tarte High Performance, the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. I got that one, and I got it in Rich Honey. Because that one was a little dark, so I went to Deep Honey for the other one, because I can swatch it to show you. Like, Rich Honey was dark, dark. See, that's Rich Honey, and that's Deep Honey. So, yeah. See the difference? So, yeah, that was some more foundation that I got. Give me 1 second and wipe my hand off. Next, what we got in our goodie bag. What did I get? Oh. I got another concealer from Laurel Geller, and this one's in Deep as well. Got this, so that's a little bit darker. I would use that for my everyday, because sometimes I like my concealers just to cover my bags if I didn't get enough sleep the day before. And then I got some skincare as well in here. So I got L'Oreal, the Pure Mask Clay. I got the clarifying and smoothing one. Next, I got my tried and true. Y'all, I love this stuff. Oh, I love this stuff. Formula 1060. If you don't have a whole lot of money or want some real good, decent skincare, Formula 1060 at Ulta is great. I like the Deep Pore Cleanser Toner. I use this, and I also use their Rose Spray to hydrate after I use this. But it helps a lot with my acne and keeping my skin clear. I got the Positive Aveeno. I got this as well. It's the Positively Radiant 60-second in-shower facial. You wash your face in the shower and you put it on there, leave it on for 60 seconds. Gently do it in a circular motion. Use 1 to 2 times per week instead of your daily cleanser for healthy looking skin. So, like, you could probably use this while you on a run or something like that. I just bought it because I wanted to try something different. And I like their body care products, so I was like, let me try their face care. Also, I got their Pre-Tox Mask. It's a leave-on day mask lotion. It has sunscreen in it. This is what it's looking like, guys. It is supercharged. It's SPF 30. It's supercharged antioxidant nourishment for visibly younger looking skin today and tomorrow. I got this because I am getting up in age. So we need to do something to lift this up. So that's what I got on this tray. So let's put this back in the bag. And then some of the stuff I've been using that I bought, so I'm going to forget to tell y'all about it. But I'm going to try to remember. I also ordered these online. I got the Beauty Bakery flour setting powders. I think I got them in deep and, yeah, I got them in brown and yellow. So this is yellow and this is brown. I have not used them yet, but I want to use them really, really soon. Now, next in this bag, I already used some of this stuff. I got the Juvia's Place foundation, which I am wearing and in love. But I had actually started recording a video on that, and kids. That's all I'm gonna say, y'all, is kids. I also got the Makeup Revolution concealers. Got 3 of those. C13 to highlight, C18 to contour, and C1 to use as an eyeshadow base. I bought the Becca primers. I got that. I love this stuff because I have it on now. The products I'm showing you right now is products that actually currently have on. And I bought the Morphe spray. This continuous mist setting spray is bomb. And I have oily skin, y'all. And I have not been blotting. I've had this makeup on now probably 6 hours plus. And it's great. And I even put it on again just to refresh my skin. It smells lovely. I also purchased this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. Y'all, shine bright like a diamond. I actually bought this because I saw, I think her name is A.MaRee. I'm going to put it in here somewhere. I saw her use it, and it was like she was, pew. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to go get it and try it out. I bought the Wet n Wild Liquid Liner. That was bomb. I loved it. A.MaRee. Thank you, boo. Also, what else I got in here? I didn't use this yet, but I did buy the Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray. Want to try that out. Let's see what else. No, that's not it. Receipts, y'all. Receipts. A lot of receipts. I bought the e.l.f. liner just because I wanted to try it. I got some LA Girl colors because they had like a million of these in the dollar store, like purple and blues. They had black. They had metallic gold roll. And then it's another one I got, but my kids was playing with it. What else I bought? I bought a Morphe eyebrow brush. And I got some brow tints because I like those. Bought me a nice little lip pencil, random. And I wanted to try this Maybelline Brow Definition eyebrow pencil because I'm looking for one that's smooth. So comment down below, y'all, a nice eyebrow pencil that y'all know about. So I can try something new. Now, I do have some other new stuff that I bought, but I done either opened it up and started using it. So, well, we are not going to talk about that. But I just wanted to come to y'all to let y'all know I am still here. Still doing stuff. And again, sorry about this dirty, dirty shirt. God, this shirt has been through today. Put out the video. Who knows? But I want to thank y'all for watching. And comment down below if you have any of the products that I bought, any other products I should be trying out, any, you know what I'm saying, fails, stuff y'all like, stuff y'all don't. Comment and let me know what y'all want to see, which products y'all want to see me use first. And thank you. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah.